Here we have a package just came in. This one, I believe, oh, he sent us a door lock. This is going to be a 1998 ES300. Here's the ECU. Here's the door lock. So we're going to end up making a key to the lock from scratch and programming it into the ECU. And that's about it. We'll come back in a little bit. Alright, we're back at that Lexus ECU. See, the keys are cut. Here's one of the chips. Other chips in the key. Turns like it should. Nice and smooth. Here's another one. Now this particular lock, they broke the back piece, I guess, getting it out, so it's not going to work right. Alright, so there's two keys. That's key number one. What I normally do is, once I program the unit, I like to take the values of whatever chips I have, program it directly into the ECU, and that's it. So then I go back into the system and try to read and make sure that the keys match inside the system. So when you get the ECU back, you won't have a problem. It'll just start right up. Like, that's key number one, and I did key number two. So there's two chips in the system. I've confirmed. I don't do what some other guys do. They put it in what they call it, auto learn mode, which means when you get the unit back, you have to cycle in the keys to program it. I don't like that method, and also, if you're paying me to do the programming, then there should be nothing left for you to do on your end unless you have a remote key. The remote key has to be programmed separate, the keyless function. But as far as starting the car, I can do everything on my end. I don't have to ask you to cycle in keys and complete the programming for me. I can terminate it on this end, and that's about it. You need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what I'm going to need, how long it's going to take, and that's about it. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com.